create a new project to work with. Let's start from here. I will what, what will I do? I will just copy the project. I have only one project here, as you can see the number 1, so I will copy it to number 2. Number 2, I will write here anything like practice project current, and current I will take copy. Okay, so if sometimes it's giving message like this, you can give another number like 14 or 15. As you can see already, maybe we have used this number, so give another different number and then exit. Now if you go to the project data, modify, you will see here there are two projects. One, this one. By this I will write channel 1, remove anything, the consultant, the contractor, anything, and save. Okay, then I will select project from here. The first one is you now. How you will know from the below, as you can see the old project data available here. So as I will change here from here, you will see the below here everything changed now. Now the practice project, consultant, contractor, owner, like this it changed here. So first of all, what should you do? You go to delete the group of cross section, because already here you have a group of cross section here, all the group of cross section. So first of all, you should delete this project. So show all mean it's shows all, and then select all and delete. Okay, sometime it's happening. You must close and then restart the project. So delete the group of cross section from here to end. So and select all and delete, and wait for it, and it will delete. Now if you go to the cross section here, you will find nothing here. Okay, so this was the copy. How can you use the copy project or create one project from the other one? And from here also, the next thing, the profile grade, you must delete this all one by one. You should delete the old data, so then you can put the new data. If you did not delete the old data, it will calculate from the old data here, and you save. Now for the this one, as you can see, every PGL not here, nothing here. So first of all, delete everything from here and then start the next one. Okay, from here we only use this copy and delete select project. From here now we need first of all the ground section. If I go to the here, the natural ground available here, because we will calculate cut and fill. So first of all, we need the natural ground. For the natural ground, there are different methods. If I click here on the natural ground, manually you can put here station, and then it will draw. Click on the keep station interval. If you want to keep the station interval, suppose you are creating station between each 20-25 meter, 50 meter, so keep station interval here. Interval you can mention interval here. Keep offset value. Offset, when you will put offset value here, so for the next one it will keep it here. So I will add one manual, and then I will show you how you can import from the txt file. Just click add here write 0 station. Okay, the next station should be n25 or 20. So interval mean the next station automatically it will create. Keep upset value. The value I will put here in the next section, and the 20 it will appear here. Only I will put the value. This part the factor, so I will put just let's say minus 100, minus 50, 0, 50 and 100. And here the elevation 670.1, 669.57, anything 667, and here 668.2, 664. Okay, when you save this drawing, you will see when you save it disappear, and automatically here disappear the 20 station. Why? Because I put here the 20 interval, and as you will click here the offset value will also appear here. When you write something, you see automatically it appear here. So 680, 668, like difference 679, 688. You are putting this value, and it's appearing here. When it's finished, it will not appear here because in the previous it was only here. Okay, the next thing here I will save. Okay, and then exit. So you go to the class section again, ground class section, and you check here. There are two from the first one here, and when you click the next 20, you created two. From here you can draw the section, and you can see how it looking like. Then the next station you can change from here. This the 20th station. Okay. From here, sometime when you are entering manual values here, you make some mistakes. So from here you can modify. Suppose this is not if you draw section, you can see the 0 value is far below from this 2. So let's say this is wrong. By manually we put wrong, so you can put the 8. When you will save, now when I will change this to 20, and I will go back to 20. Now as you can see it's go above. So like this you can manually modify and then save the class section. And next thing here, arrange. What is arrange? If I go to the class section, uh, here modify already we discussed this. The delete, you press delete, it will delete the class section. The whole class section will be deleted. Arrange. Arrange mean suppose you first of all you will modify. So the minus side is above and the plus side is below, the 0 is in center. So when you put some values here, suppose it's minus 150, the value is let's say 670.15. When you put here, you see it's here. Sometimes when you save, it will go above. Or if it is not go above, then you press arrange, press arrange, and you see here it's go above. Then when you suppose you put here between the 100 and minus 50, I put minus 25, and minus 25, let's say it is 668. Okay, so when you save it, when you click save, automatically it will adjust between. After minus 25 it's pressed here, and when you see the cross section it's like this. So this you can put manually your cross section data. This is the natural ground data before the execution of work. And also if you sometimes you put something wrong, you can delete. Suppose here only one. From this delete, you can delete the total all cross section. Complete 0 will be deleted. If let's say I will press enter, the first 0, and if I delete this one, I do want sure to want to delete the station, whole station. You will press yes, you will see only 20 remaining here, the 0 deleted. And from this, if you want to delete only one row, just click outside here and press delete from the keyboard. Before it's press the modify and delete, and as you can see delete it.